Hey guys, I'm so excited to be doing this video right now. I have personally tried this product myself and I can't tell you how amazing it is. FIXD is an OBD scanner. It's probably the cheapest one on the market right now and it's so easy to use. All you have to do is get the FIXD scanner, download their free application on your phone, and let FIXD do the rest. Let me go ahead and show you how easy it is to use this product. I love the packaging of this product. It's done so beautifully, and I love here what it says that your car is talking, so start listening. FIXD product works on gas-powered cars and trucks built after 1996, and it also works on diesel cars built after 2008. The product also comes with an installation guide, so it's very easy to install and use, and everything is right there in front of you. And if you need any more help, you can actually look at the back of the product and follow the link here. And the best part too is that this product is very small, so you can always put it in your glove box department, or because of this hook here, you can also hang it on the wall with all the other tools in your garage. You can also check if your car is compatible with this product on their website by putting in your model and the year of your vehicle. The FIXD application is free and it also has a premium option. The free option lets you check your engine light, it tells you the issue severity, it has maintenance alerts, and you can also do a multi-vehicle examination if you have multiple FIXD scanners. The premium option works better if you live in the United States. It has a mechanic hotline so they can give you an advice on what's wrong with your car. You can take that advice, and once you go to a different mechanic, it can help you determine if that mechanic is being honest with you or not, because you already have an idea of what's wrong with the car. It can also give you a confirmed fix and cost, an incident history report, and an emissions pre-check. Setting up the application is super quick. You create an account by putting in your email and a password, and then you scan your OBD scanner, which is the number on the back, and then you name your device. So in our case, it's going to be our car, brand, and model. To plug in the FIXD scanner, you have to find the OBD port, which is located underneath the steering wheel on the driver's side. In different cars, it's located differently, and sometimes it can be covered with a plastic cover. But to put it in, you will see the port, which is right here. And when you put in the scanner, you'll see a flash of blue light, which indicates that you've plugged in the scanner correctly. Once that's done, you'll see a tap to scan button. Once that loads, you'll see all the issues that the scanner found in your car. In my case, the issues are actually safe to ignore because I don't have a check light symbol popping up on my dashboard. You can see here it also gives you a description of what the issue is and its severity level. Next, you can click on the shop for parts to see what they have available in their shop, and then moving on, you can also click to check for recalls on your car by inputting the VIN number. Moving on to my absolute favorite part of this app, which is the Ripoff protection plan. It gives you scenarios of the most common shop scams and how to respond to them so that you can go into a mechanic shop knowing exactly what to expect. Now we're going to set up our maintenance alerts. We have our oil, battery, tires, and wipers. For the oil, you have to put in the kilometers that you have lasted your oil change, and it'll basically give you the average estimate of when your next oil change is going to be. To test battery, you have to turn off the car and let the app scan it, and it'll give you a resting voltage for your battery, where it should be around 12.4 to 12.6 volts. Next, we're going to look at the tire treads. It gives you a basic example of how to test your tire treads, and then you put the level that your tires treads are at, and that'll give you the percentage of the lifetime so that you know when you should replace them next. Last, we have the wipers. You put in the last updated date that you've replaced your wipers, and it'll give you an estimated recommended time of 12 months based on your manufacturer. Hey guys, I hope you like this product as much as I do. Honestly, it's amazing. I can't tell you enough how helpful it has been for me. It can save you so much money and so many headaches. So if you want it, the product is offered for $19.99 if you click the link on my bio. And if you have any more questions about this product specifically, please comment it below, and I'll see you next time.